All right, friends, today I want to talk to you about number lines again, but today we're going to do something a little different. So, check out this number line I have here on my screen. Starts at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even as we go up, they're still counting by ones. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. This number line skips by ones only. This is great when we have small numbers, but in second grade, our numbers start to get a lot bigger. They go into the hundreds and sometimes even the thousands. And so when we learn to use number lines, we want to understand that sometimes we don't count by ones, sometimes we want to count by something bigger. Today we're going to practice counting by fives. I can model for you here on this number line what it would look like if I count by fives. So if I line up at the 0 down here and I jump 5, now I'm at 5. Then I can jump another 5 and I'm at 10. Jump another 5 and I'm at 15. Jump another 5, I'm at 20. So the only numbers that I'm seeing on my number line are the fives. So if I was going to make a number line with only fives, it would only have numbers like these on it. Now, let me show you a number line that has only fives. Our number lines can skip by fives. Now, I don't need to circle my fifth number because it's already done for me. So this number goes to a lot higher of an amount just because our numbers skip more. So now we would count 5, 10, 15, 20, just like if you skip count by fives. If we go up higher, we could do 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105. We're just skip counting by fives. Today in Seesaw, you have an activity where you are skip counting on number lines by fives. So today when you type in the numbers, I don't want you to type in just the next number. I want you to skip 5 and type in the number.